Hey guys, welcome to the Sunflower Shop. I'm Sarah and I'm here today to show you some snacks, some keto meals on the go to make your keto journey a lot easier. Come on, I'll show you. So one of the first things that they tell you to give up when doing keto is your sugar, and candy and cupcakes are the hardest thing to get rid of. Smart Sweets, they take some old school favorites and they give you an entire bag with only 3 grams of sugar. One of the hottest things that we have here are Smart Cakes. Are you seeing what I'm saying? Smart. This is all smart goodies that you can have. You get 2 of these little cupcakes in a bag and there are no net carbs. Lily's Chocolate is one of everyone's favorites as well. There's no sugar added. It's made with a natural sweetener from stevia. All right, next we're gonna show you some meal replacements and bars for on the go. So one of the hardest things to do is remember to meal prep, but that is one of the most important things. But don't beat yourself up. If you've left for the day or you're too tired to make dinner at night, grab one of these ready to drink drinks. It's full of protein, very low, very low sugar. I think this one only has 4 grams of sugar in the entire bottle and 18 grams of protein. And that's full meal replacement for you. Also on the go that doesn't have to be refrigerated and is extremely convenient are Stoka bars. They are made locally right here in Texas, and it is a full meal replacement. You're getting all the nutrition you need out of 1 bar, and they are delicious. Okay, next I'm gonna show you guys what would be the hardest thing for me to give up, and that is my chips. Anything crunchy is my weakness, but I'm gonna show you some items to prove to you that you don't have to give up that crunch. Come on. Okay, the first thing is not a chip, but it's still got the same crunch, and it has 1 ingredient, and that's cheese. They're crunchy and cheesy. Who's not gonna love those, right? The next thing are a true chip, but it's packed with protein and low net carbs and low sugar. You can have that entire bag with 4 net carbs, and you're getting your chips without all the carbs. The next thing, if you want to keep it really healthy, is to do a kale chip, which it's just dehydrated kale. We've got some seasonings on it to kind of flavor it up. And you're gonna have to trust me on this one, seaweed. It still gives you the crunch and the salt that you crave when you're having to give up the chip, but it's good for you. It's seaweed, but it tastes wonderful. All right, next we're gonna go to everybody's favorite. No one wants to give this up. This is gonna steer you away from keto, but just trust me, it's breads and pastas. Come on guys, I'll show you. All right, pasta, that's what we're gonna start with. Bread and pasta go together. These pastas are keto friendly. This pasta, believe it or not, it's made with mushrooms, and there are no calories, no sugar, no carbs, but you're still getting to have your pasta, your spaghetti, or whatever it is you're gonna make with it. This is made with almond flour and egg. It's a refrigerated pasta. It's just like the old school Italian pasta that you're getting, but it's no carb, low carb. This is another pasta. It's a dry pasta that's shelf stable and really convenient, made with edamame or soybean. Comes out, great texture, and no carb. Next, we're doing breads. You can have burgers on keto with Smart Buns. They're the same company that make those great little cupcakes that I showed you in the beginning. And once you're done subtracting all your fibers, you've got no net carbs, and you can enjoy that sandwich or that burger. Another thing we have are these outer aisle cauliflower thins. 2 main ingredients of these that make these keto friendly are egg and cauliflower, and they are delicious. Can't keep them on the shelves, they're wonderful. All right, next I'm gonna show you how to find your love of baking again while doing your keto. We should call it Cheeto. That's what we're doing. We're cheating on the keto today, come on. So, you can still have your iced tea, you still can have your muffins, your cupcakes, obviously your cake, your cookies, your pancakes, all from a company named Swerve. They started out with just sugar, a sugar replacement. It's made from a non-GMO erythritol. And you see they've got a confectioner sugar, they've got a granular sugar, and they have now made these ready to make packaged goodies that you can just take and add, an egg and some oil to, and you've got a nice ketogenic friendly product. Next I showed you guys the Lily's candy bars. They also make a chocolate chip. So when you're doing a chocolate chip brownie or a chocolate chip pancake, you've got a nice little easy way in there, keto friendly, low carb, low sugar. All right, I'm gonna show you guys last but not least how to get some good fats, some healthy fats to keep the caloric and the fat content up on your keto journey. Right over here. Okay, Primal Kitchen. These guys make all of their dressings and all of their mayonnaise with avocado oil. That is probably the healthiest oil that we're looking at right now, and it is the most ketogenic friendly oil. They also make a mustard and a ketchup. And you have to be careful because normal ketchup that you find on the shelf, they add sugar to it to make you like it. But this is wonderful. It's unsweetened, it's Whole30 and keto approved. It's a great product, a great line. One of the easiest ways to get fats in your diet too is olives. Who would have thought olives are full of fat? And these little snack packs that you can just throw in your bag and eat them for a healthy snack so you're not wanting sweets or crunchies is a full fat olive. When you can't have those, try this avocado. That is the easiest and fastest way to curb your if you've got the munchies or you're just starving, because they're full of fat, full of good calories, and they'll help curb that appetite for you. All right, guys, thank you so much. For more information and for more products like these, come visit us at Sunflower Shop. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.